Welcome to Fiery Smart Support. In today's video, we would like to show you how to manually activate a Fiery license activation code in an easy understandable quick start guide. So let's get started. When you purchase a Fiery option, such as Impose or JobMaster, you'll receive a license activation code that will allow you to activate the product. Note, we strongly recommend that the workstation on which the Fiery option will be activated has an internet connection. However, in cases where this is not possible, you can activate the LAC without one. Here are the steps. First, launch Command Workstation on the device where you want to have the feature activated. Now make sure that Command Workstation is connected to a Fiery. Next, right-click a job in Command Workstation and select the feature you want to activate. Note, a message will display indicating that the feature is not activated. You will have the option to use demo mode or activate the option. Select Activate. Now, on the license activation page, click Activate. Click Continue to agree to the terms and conditions of the license agreement. Next, enter the LAC in the license activation code field. Now click Continue. When the message "This computer does not have internet access" appears, click Continue to proceed with the manual process. Click Create Request File and then save the file on the local device drive. Next, copy the request file to a computer that has a connection to the internet. On the device with an internet connection, open a browser and go to www.licensing.efi.com. Click the Choose File button and select your request file. Now click Upload Request File. Click Continue. Click Download License File and save the file. Now copy the license file back to the computer on which you want to activate the feature. Return to the Generate License window and click Yes. Next, click Browse to select the license file. Click Open. Now click Activate. Once the activation is done, click Finish. This will take you back to the License Manager screen. At this point, your activation is complete. And that's how you manually activate a Fiery license activation code. Thank you for watching.